everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, I have an exciting exercise for you all where we'll be building a contact us form that you can include in your website or a single page form or any kind of a college project. So let's get started. So let us first have a look onto how our actual output or the contact us form should look like. The contact us form should consist of certain elements like a label and the corresponding input text boxes, wherein as you can see on the screen here, we should require a first name as a label and a corresponding text box, which should include a placeholder for the user to know that what kind of content or what kind of input should be kept here. Next, you need to have a last name with a corresponding input text box. Furthermore, you're required to show up a drop-down menu for entering the country, and then at the end, there should be a text area included to submit a type of a query or a message, followed by a submit button. So now let us look at the solution for building this contact us form. So I'll be jumping back to the Visual Studio Code Editor, wherein we have the solution mentioned here. So first, we would be using the form tag in order for us to create this contact us form. As required, we would be accompanying certain tags here, including label and the corresponding input type equals to text boxes, making sure we have a label corresponding to a particular input type equals to text. As in first name, have a separate input type text box. Similarly goes for the last name, accompanying it with an input type equals to a text box. Furthermore, in order for us to build the drop-down menu, we'll be first using a label in order for us to understand what that drop-down is for. So that corresponds to a country, and then we'll be using a select tag in order for us to list all the different countries that we are interested in doing so. So since a default value comes in as the first option, I have made it as select your country and then given a couple of options here. You can modify these options as and how you need. Later on, we have a label again for specifying in terms of entering any kind of a query or a message in here, saying type your message here, followed by a text area field, which is going to give us a certain length of rows and columns included in it, making sure we have enough space to write down our query, followed by the submit button. I hope this video was insightful. Follow for more such videos. Until then, happy coding.